Right there. You got it. We got a funnel. Mark, I can hear you barely. We're looking actually over west, much west of the Chico-Durham area. This is more over in Glenn County, probably not too far from the Sacramento River. I can't exactly tell where it is. These are pretty dramatic shots, but this just formed a few moments ago. This is actually more west of where you were talking about, where that heavy activity was, probably more over, toward the Sacramento River, maybe about 10 miles south of Hamilton City or so. And you can see how quickly it shifts. It was down on the ground there. It looks like it's coming back up again, Mark.